Pakistan Studies, Test number 2, multiple choice questions, MCQs. Question 11. The height of K2, the second highest mountain, is 28,251 feet. Question 12. Shalimar Garden in Lahore was built by Shah Jahan. 13. Anjuman Himayat-e-Islam was founded in Sindh. 14. The first constitution of Pakistan was enforced in the year 1956. In Pakistan, Pakistan was named as Islamic Republic of Pakistan in the Constitution of 1956. The All India Muslim League was founded in the year December 1906. The first president of All India Muslim League was Sir Aga Khan. Pakistan has a coastline of about 1046 km. The Jimpeer wind power plant is located in district Thatta. The national tree of Pakistan is deodar. Like, share, subscribe.